guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to attach this eyelet to your corset, and this is one method that I found out that has worked for me because I've really experimented on a lot. I've used a lot of equipment that I've bought and none of them worked until this particular equipment. So if you would like to see that, keep on watching. But before we head right into it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So we are going to be needing two particular things for this eyelet. You're going to need one. The first one is going to be the one that you're going to put into the outfit by the time you have created your hole. And then when you have successfully fitted the fabric into the hole for the first one, then you will now use the second one to like cover it before you can now go ahead and use the machine. So I'm going to show you guys what you are going to be doing. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to create a hole on your corset. You already know the spacing that you want to leave. For this particular cloth, I left 2 inches space. Like the difference between each hole is 2 inches. So I went ahead to use like soldering iron to create a hole. If you don't have soldering iron, you can decide to like just hold it and use scissors and cut out a point. But the hole that you are creating, you need it to be wide enough so that the first part of the, or like the base or the foundation of the eyelet can pass through it. So that is what you are going to go ahead and do. Another thing I'm going to be pointing out here when using your soldering iron is that because this bends the fabric, at times it's going to leave like this hard, you know, when plastic bends, it leaves a hard surface. Do you understand? So if that occurs, you use your seam ripper to just remove that bent side that is strong, because it's not going to allow you to fix your eyelet properly. So once you have done that, you can see what I'm doing now. You pick up the base. This is the first one you're going to pick up. You see the way I attached it into the outfit. Yeah, so now I've attached it into the outfit. Remember that this is a corset. It has your main material, the lining, and also the interfacing too. So that place is going to be thick, so you're going to use your hand and really take your time and place it. Make sure that the fabrics like enter in between that place. Do you get? So now this is the machine you're going to be using. This is the machine that you also use to create your buttonhole, to do your cover button. So you're going to put the other particular, like the smaller one of this eyelet on top to seal it, and then you place it on this machine. You can see how I did it, and then that will automatically just stay in place. So you're just going to watch this video continuously. I'm just repeating the same thing. As you can see, I'm using my seam ripper to like open up these so that, you know, the eyelet base can be able to enter properly and fit into that small height that it has. By the time you see your own eyelet, you're going to observe how the thing is looking. So by the time you are done with this, you now take your eyelet again and place it into that place, like into the hole. Make sure that the hole is big enough, and then you now make sure you take your hand and take the material, like make sure that you push the material into the length of that small eyelet hole so that it like stays properly. So you now take your other eyelet, the top of the eyelet, you take it, and I've placed it. I'll proceed straight ahead to the machine, and then you can see how I've placed the machine directly on top of the eyelet machine, and then I'll press the eyelet, then I'm going to hold it down, press it together so that it can clip and permanently stay there. I hope like this video is very clear, because I try to get all the angles so that you can really see it being done neatly for you. And so this is what I'll basically repeat until the whole hole is done. So if you, I will leave this video to keep playing so you can watch it over and over again until you get the hang of it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Thank you all so much.